Hey guys, Adam with Hennessey Performance, and today I am out at Performance Ford up in New Jersey to share some exciting news with y'all. They are now one of our exclusive Ford dealership partners, carrying our full Hennessy Ford lineup. One of the advantages of our growing dealer network is it puts ownership of our exclusive vehicles closer to you than ever before. You're able to come into the showroom, check out these vehicles in person, finance, and drive out the same day. So we're gonna start off with the off-road king, the Velociraptor. This thing is an absolute monster on the street and even more so off-road. You get your custom steel bumpers, your integrated factory sensors all still function, your light bars, your pod lights, big brakes, big wheels, big tires, and big performance. Now for those of y'all that love a lifted truck, but maybe the Raptor's just not for you, we've got the Venom 800. We're talking a supercharged 5-liter V8 under the hood, cranking out 800 horsepower. Steel bumper upgrades front and rear, LED lights, complete suspension overhaul, big wheels, big tires, and even 6-piston Brembo brakes. Along with all of that performance, we've added touches around the truck as well, like a carbon fiber grille up front, carbon fiber fender vents with an illuminated badge in the middle, and even a complete Hennessy interior. Now for those of y'all that love the Venom 800, but you're not much of an off-road kind of guy, you say you want more street performance, we've got you covered with the Venom 800 Sport Truck. This thing was designed to be like a sports car with a bed on the back. Supercharged 5-liter V8 under the hood, again cranking out 800 horsepower, complete suspension overhaul that this thing corners but also stops on a dime with the Brembo brakes as well. To fit along with the sports car theme, this thing's got carbon fiber everywhere, front to back, including the interior with a custom carbon fiber wheel even. And last but certainly not least, we have the most exclusive one of the bunch, with only 91 units ever being produced, the Super Venom Mustang. There's only a handful of these sprinkled throughout the country, so it is crazy to see one here on the ground in person. You've got 850 horsepower under the hood, you've got carbon fiber everywhere, you've got lightweight wheels, you've got Brembo brakes, a custom interior. This is an absolute track weapon. So remember guys, Performance Ford in New Jersey, they have multiple locations stocking Hennessy vehicles. So the dream of owning one of these beasts doesn't have to live online. These vehicles are built, they are on the ground, they are ready to go. They are in high demand though, so make sure you come and grab yours before somebody else does.